Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and here I am again in the middle of nowhere out on the ocean on the wonderful Norwegian Getaway, and today they're having a contest called Mr. Sexy Legs. For the record, there was no contest called Mrs. Sexy Legs, not sure why, but the Mr. Sexy Legs seems to be a regular thing here on the Norwegian Getaway. And again, I was just a little bit upset that there was no Mrs. Sexy Legs contest. I mean, what's good for the gander is good for the goose, right guys? But in any event, here we are. It looks like it's going to be a fun contest. Let's check it out, shall we?
Still have more. Come here, next contestant. Tell us your name and where you're from.
Bill from Indianapolis.
All right, Bill. We have Bill here and his red. Look at this leg. Okay, DJ Dan, hit Okay, so now DJ Dan, here we go. Wow. The leg, show the leg.
Sorry guys, I know the music's a little crazy, but I want you to know what they're dancing to, which I think you can hear in the background. And on top of that, I need to play some of my own music so that I don't have a copyright issue. So that's why there's basically two songs playing, but I think you know what they're dancing to.
Arizona. Okay, so now DJ Dan, here we go. Hit it. Wow, what? Whoa. He really wants the Bahama Mama. All right, so are you ready? Are you ready to do this? Okay, so here we go. DJ Dan, hit it. Go for it.
Too sexy for my love, too sexy for my love, love's going to leave.
This is Captain Morgan. He shows up in all cruise-related videos here on the New York channel. He shows up as a quick flash in the background, including this video. Be the first to spot him and leave a comment below with the timestamp where you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Good luck.
Silvio, where are you from, Silvio?
From Brazil.
Silvio from Brazil! Okay, are you recording there? Because whatever happens on the Norwegian Getaway goes to the YouTube, right? Okay, Silvio, are you ready to show us what you got? Okay, so now let's give it up for Silvio!
Monsieur Taylor and Mr. Worldwide.
Judges, in order, please, if it's possible. If you remember your order, come here, come here. This is your microphone. We're going to start with the Miss Bahama Mama. But first, of course, you want to know who's going to be the Mr. Sexy Legs. But Miss Bahama Mama, you have a responsibility first, right? You're going to crown the first one here. And we're looking for Mr. Muscle Legs, and this is your responsibility. You have to tell us why, and you're gonna give him who's gonna be Mr. Muscle Legs.
Okay, guys. All right. So. Mr. Muscle Legs has to go to nobody other than Brooklyn.
So you have your certificate already. Let's give it up for Mr. You, because you are already with your medal. And you're not out, come here. Okay, next one. This is gonna be your responsibility. And now where's the microphone? And we're looking for Mr. Needs a 10. Yeah. You can grab the microphone. I need a 10. Yes, who is gonna be Mr. I need a 10? Alright, this is
Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out.
Come here, come here. We're looking for Mr. Hairy Legs. Who's gonna be Mr. Hairy Legs? Alright, let's give it up for Mr. Hairy Legs. You can come here to the podium. Right, this is yours. And now we're looking for Mr. Sexy Legs, but this one we're going to decide everybody together, right? So contestant number 2, contestant number 3, contestant number 4, contestant number 5. Contestant number 6. Contestant number 7. Contestant number 8. Okay. Number 2, move forward. Who else? Sylvia, move forward as well. And who else? Who else? One more. And number one, move forward. Alright. The others, thank you. You can wait here on the side. Thank you for your participation. Now we need to decide between 3 of them. Right? Okay, so now we have 1, 2, 3. For contestant number 1. Contestant number 2. And contestant number 3. Oh, he got skills. No, but I'm still quite. What do you think here? What's it? The judges. 2. Oh, you're part of the audience. Judges. No, give me one name and we're gonna cheer again. Give me one name. No. So you have a tie and we're gonna cheer them up again. So who is it staying for the last one? For the last one. Remember, we need to be loud. So, contestant number 1. And now you won again. Okay, maybe I confused them. One more time, he's one. Contestant number 1. What about contestant number 2? So we have the Mr. Sexy Legs here. This is for you. Give it up for Mr. Sexy Legs. Thank you so much. Thank you, audience. That was the Mr. Sexy Legs competition here in the book deck. Thank you so much, DJ Dan, for helping us. Here's Johnny, I'm all the way from Brazil on behalf of Cruise Director. Yeah, thanks, man. See you next time.
That was the end of the Mr. Sexy Legs. Again, no Mrs. Sexy Legs, just a Mr. Sexy Leg on the boat here, or on the ship. What do you think of the judges' final decision? Leave a comment below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed to the New York channel, please do. It really does help the channel out. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.